Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a short program that will delete files based on their size. So we're going to delete all empty files. Now if we come down to here, I've got a folder and it's got 3 empty files in it, 0 kilobytes, 0 kilobytes, and we've got 1 full file. So we want to delete all of those and leave the full file. So let's go back and start writing the program. So what I'm going to do first of all, I'm going to create a subroutine, and this subroutine is going to be called delete files. And let's have a look at that. So this is going to be my scalar path. I'm going to assign it to the path here, which is going to be C users mark desktop and C. So that's the path to the folder. Now I'm going to print a message here. Let's see if we can make this a little bit bigger. We're going to print a message here, print cleaning up empty files, and this is a new line here. Then we're going to give it a little bit of a pause, so we use sleep to give it a pause, and we pause the program here. We type in 1, which means 1 second. So we're going to pause the program for 1 second. And then we're going to create an array called files, and we're going to use glob here. Assign that to glob. Okay, so it should load all those files into that array. Then we're going to create another variable called scalar file size, and then we're going to set that, assign the value of 0, so that's 0 kilobytes. Right, all we need to do now is to loop through all these files, and we do that using the for each loop. So for each, create a variable here called file in the array of files. So we're going to loop through that array of files here. Oops, let's just go down a little bit here. And we're going to come on and do the if, the conditional. So we're going to do some evaluation here. So let's make that look better. If, we've got the flag here S, the size of the scalar file is equal to the file size, which was set above, so the file size is 0 kilobytes. We're going to do something. So if it's 0 kilobytes, we're going to print a message to the user, and we're going to interpolate the file name into there. So file empty deleting. New line there. Okay, and how do we delete it? We use, for files, we use onLink here, and then the scalar file. Or else, if that's not the case, let's have a look here. We use the else catch-all, else, and then we simply do print scalar file not empty. Okay, now all we have to do is actually run the program itself. So run the program, delete files. I have to call it, of course. Call it by its name, delete files. Let's just have a look at that. Let's just run it. Cleaning up empty files. So let's just zoom in there a little bit. Alive.txt is not empty. Okay, so let's go and have a look at this. See what we've done. Okay, we've got a problem there. So I'm just going to reset this. Oh dear, yeah, I didn't do that, did I? CHDIR, CHDIR. We're not in that path because I didn't change into the path. Very important there. So CHDIR, so change directory into that path. Okay, let's run it again. Okay. Right, there we go. We've got a better result there. So cleaning up text files. So there's one text file that's not empty here and all the rest are empty, so this should be gone now. So let's go in here and let's have a look. So there we go, we've only got one file there, which is the one that's not empty. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.